This is not a clickbait, guys. We actually bought the car. Today I'm gonna pick it up, the car. So this is the car, we already picked it up, and this will be our first episode to rebuild a car. These guys, they know their work. They are the best on this market. Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is AzooL from AzooL channel. This is my first time I'm starting my video in a night. First of all, a special thank. I reached 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, to support me, and hope so I'll continue more and hit that 100,000 subscribers as well. So today's video is really special for me, guys. After so many long time searching, at last we find the car. We bought the Nissan GTR R35. This is not a clickbait, guys. We actually bought the car, yeah. And today I'm gonna pick it up, the car, with my friend Muhammad, and after that we're gonna take it to garage. I'm gonna show you all the process, how we're gonna fix it. So we have little bit problem over here, because most of the cars in here, especially our GTR, we cannot move. So all the parts, all the tires is locked up. So in that reason, we should do some adjustment to put this car on the recovery. So let's hope for the good, and we'll see if we can pick up the car or no. So I think everything is ready, guys. I'm so excited as well. Now we are about to take this car, Nissan GTR R35. I'm gonna share everything once we reach in the garage. So this is the car, we already picked it up, and this will be our first episode to rebuild a car. I'm really excited, and it's almost like 20 minutes away from this place, and we'll go there. So as you can see, the car is loaded, looking so sick, guys. I really love this color. This was one of my favorite color, the white color. We just reached to the garage, and this is the car. We have to take it. It's kind of rushed. There's one car and there's another recovery unloading the car, so it kind of messed it up here. We're gonna wait for the place to be a little bit empty after. This is actually the same garage we checked the GTR, the black one, and of course Mo Vlog also came here. So the car just arrived in this garage. I'm really excited. We'll take the car end of the place, because they made already the special place for this car. I just forgot to close the door, and from all the way the door was open and recovery was coming here. This is the garage. I'm gonna show you on the next video what kind of car they have in here. This is a small sneak peek for the cars. A Nissan GTR, a Ford Mustang, not your ordinary Ford Mustang. This is actually a crazy one. We have other GTR as well. We have a Nissan Petrol here. There's many crazy cars, guys. And yeah, this is our car, Nissan GTR R35, and this is the place we made for this car, to just put it direct on this jack. So we need to fill up the tire for these rims to actually move it, because all the tire is a puncture, so we should give him the first air to little bit possible to push it. So oh my god guys, 6 people are trying to push this car to put it on the spot to begin the process to rebuild it. Like 10 people are pushing and the car is not moving at all. Yeah, at last he moved. Yes guys, I'm a little bit shy. I need to push as well. I need to walk. Yeah, I have to. Yeah, I think we did it. So at the last we just managed to put this car, guys. It took us almost like 45 minutes to unload it from the recovery and put it on this place. I'm not really happy the way the car trade, because I can see many people try to open the door, and I can see we had many damage on this side, fender side, and this is gonna cost me so much money to fix these things. This is just starting. I noticed something else also. We just break the spoiler, the carbon fiber, so extra money again. So we managed to put the car in the jack, guys, and I want to meet you with my good friend, guys. This is the same guy who let us to come here to check the black GTR, and Movlog also came here. So his name is Islam. I'm going to put all his information down in the description below and Instagram. A special thanks to Intikhab Garage, guys, and yeah, let's go and see the car, and because these guys, they know their work, they are the best on this market. Let's go, we'll ask him the question, how is the car, did we purchase a good car, and how safe is the car, and how long will it take to fix it, and much more. So let's start it. Okay, we'll start from
the beginning. As you can see, the car is a front head.
Yeah.
So both of the chassis are damaged.
For the frame, both of them are damaged.
Yeah, both of them are damaged. So first we are going to do, we will fix the chassis. So for that we are going to open the engine.
You have to remove the engine.
Remove
you mean
the engine, yeah.
You have to open the total engine.
The total engine, we'll have to pull it down.
Okay.
So then only we can fix the chassis.
But let's go. I think we'll go under the car and give you more, give us a little bit more about the car. He was explaining about the damage in here.
Actually, the crankcase of the engine is damaged.
So this is.
So it's leaking the oil.
This is a crankcase. If people doesn't know crankcase, can you explain more what do you mean by crankcase?
Crankcase, the oil pan of the engine.
Okay. You mean the okay.
Oil pan, yeah. And also the filter is leaking.
Okay.
Once we remove the engine from the car, so then only we can fix all these things.
These things, okay.
Just a minor thing.
Okay. And about the suspension and the
system of the car is original.
Okay.
And
I think this is no factory, or is it?
No, it's not a factory one.
So this is called the intercooler?
Yeah, intercooler.
Okay, this is the intercooler. This is the aftermarket thing. And what else from here? The exhaust also is from factory.
The Y-pipe is aftermarket, and all the rest is factory.
Factory, yeah. And I just noticed that this is all, carbon fiber, yeah?
Yeah, it's coming carbon fiber.
So this is the undercover for the engine. And I mean the what do you call it?
The diffuser.
The diffuser, yeah. This is good. We have a small damage in here, as you told me as well.
The rod is damaged, so we need to replace this one as well. So it's not a big deal. It's an easy one.
So that's cool, that's cool. I'm really excited about this car, guys. We need pineapple. This is pineapple. Okay, call it 2, 3, 4. Again, pineapple. Okay, 5, 10, 20?
Not 20. Give.
One more? Okay, mango, no problem. And we need a little bit power in this holy month of Ramadan. So I just got some juice and let's go inside, and that's all. So guys, I want to end my video in here. Yeah, I think this will be a really good journey, guys. We find a really good car, and of course we find the best place to fix this car as well. So tomorrow will be our first episode to rebuild this Nissan GTR, guys. Yeah, so this is the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, like the video. Thanks so much. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and we're going to open everything from this car, and of course it's time to fix it, and I'll try my best to help them as much as I can, guys. Yeah, see you for the next video with this lovely GTR piece.